Today I'm telling you about tag questions. What are tag questions? As we know that we have number of kinds of questions. The first kind which we use normally, that is the question which is made by the use of helping verb. That is, am, are, has, have, had, will be, shall be. Okay, these are the helping verbs through which we can make questions easily. We can ask anything about, for example, is she baking cake? Are you driving car? Are you learning your lesson? Have you learned your lesson? Had you completed your work? Will you be completing your work? These all are the helping verbs through which we make the sentence of ask any question to the opponent. Now another kind which we normally use, that is the question which is used and made by the use of WH words. WH words. What are? What? Which? Where? Why? Who? Whom? Whose? For example, whose marker is this? For example, whose book is this? Okay? For example, who is standing there? Yes? What is your name? Okay? Why is he playing cricket on the road? Okay? Why is she crying? These all are the questions which are made by WH. The two kinds I have told you about the question, but the third kind which I am going to teach you today, and is my topic, that is tag question. Tag question is what? In this topic I will tell you tag question, and I will ask you as well some questions for your repetition and for your understanding. So, number one, here you are looking at these boxes. In these boxes some phrases are written. She does, then she doesn't. Do they? Don't they? Let's start making tag question. Tag question is similarly different from the sentences of other kinds which I taught you before. These are the sentences which start with affirmative statement or the negative statement. But in addition with these above mentioned phrases, we make the tag questions. Now, sentence number one, she goes to school daily. What is this? This is the affirmative statement, isn't it or not?
Yes.
How can I make it tag question? Okay, now I tell you. I will add one of this clause with this, which correctly fits with this sentence. Okay, at the end, not at the start, nor in the middle, but at the end, I will add one of the statement, one of the phrase which is written down over here. One I have to select because the sentence is affirmative. One thing more I am telling you, tag question is made with the use of that clause which fits with this sentence correctly. If the sentence is affirmative, you have to add negative clause. If the sentence is negative, you have to add affirmative clause. Okay, now look at here. She goes to school daily. She goes to school daily. How I will make it tag question? She goes to school daily, comma. Now I will select the clause which fits with it correctly. She doesn't. Okay? Doesn't she? Now, doesn't she? Is it right? Okay? She goes to school, doesn't she? It means that वो स्कूल रोजाना जाती है या नहीं जाती. It means that it has become right now tag question in which we are asking about her. Does she go or not? The next sentence is she doesn't bake cake here. She doesn't bake cake here. Is this a affirmative sentence or the negative?
Negative.
This is the negative statement, not the question. Is it question?
No.
Is it the? It's the negative statement. Negative statement. How I will make this? How I will make this tag question? She doesn't bake cake here. Here is doesn't she? I will select the affirmative one, and she that is she does. So she doesn't bake cakes. Here does she. Okay, this does she is actually relating doesn't, and this doesn't is relating goes. That is the opponent word which we are using over here to display the correct sense of the sentence. The next sentence is they play football. Tag question. One of this we have to select. I am going to ask question from you that you must make tag question. Yes, anybody raise up the hand who can loudly speak? Yes. They play football.
They play football. Do they play football?
Yes. Do they? Just not do they play football. They play football.
Do they?
No. They play football. It's wrong. Yes. Anybody else? Yes. Turn the camera towards her. Yes.
Do they play? They play football, don't they?
Very good.
Yes. Don't
They play football. Don't they? I told you we have to select the correct phrase from the above mentioned boxes. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, they
play football.
play football. Now, this one I have to select. This one, don't they. It's enough. We don't need to complete the sentence that don't they play. No, don't they is enough to complete the sentence. And it's really the tag question. They play football, don't they? Now the last one. Amir and Mahmood don't offer prayers daily. Raise up your hand. Who will tag? Yes.
Amir and Mahmood don't offer prayers daily, do they?
Yes. Once again.
Amir and Mahmood don't offer prayers daily, do they?
Very good. Is it right?
Yes.
Do they? Here we will use
Do
they. Amir and Mahmood don't offer prayers daily. Do they? Now you have known how to make the tag question. Now some I will ask from your side. I am going to write down here some. Cooks curry. Okay. Reads book. Okay. Ride bicycle. Okay. Now you have to add subject pronoun. You have to add tag question phrases and make the question which I am going to ask you. Yes, cooks curry. Make negative tag question. Yes.
He doesn't
She doesn't.
cook curry.
Yes.
Does she?
Yes, very good. She doesn't cook curry. Does she? Yes, sit down. Affirmative question. Affirmative tag question. Yes, sit down.
She read book,
Hmm.
doesn't she?
She read book.
She read book.
Reads book.
She reads book, doesn't she?
Yes, very good. She reads book, doesn't she? Now, ride bicycle. Yes, from here. Yes, from here. Yes, you.
Yes, sir.
Ride bicycle. They. Use they.
They ride bicycle, do they?
No.
They
No.
ride bicycle?
No.
They ride
Yes,
bicycle.
Amna. Yes. Yes.
They ride bicycle, don't they?
They ride bicycle, don't they? If the first sentence is affirmative, then the next clause you have to select.
Negative.
Okay. Today we have done this. Inshallah, we will continue it with the more practices. Thank you.
Okay.